So many guys confuse simping with being friendly. In their heads, they're thinking, oh, I'm just being super nice to her because she's cute or I like her or she's my crush. But no, buddy, you're actually simping. Now, here's the problem. If that's the life you want to live, go for it. But the thing is that no girl will ever just fall in love with you if you're committing these mistakes. Today, boys, I'm going to show you exactly what you're doing that you confuse for being friendly, but in her eyes, you're simping. And I want you to know something. See, when you simp this bad, girls know. And not only do they know, they talk about you amongst their friends. They gloat about the things that you give her. Like, yo, she is using you and I don't want you to fall for that trap. Let's go. Number one, you put yourself last. Look, there are certain situations in life where, yes, you want to put others in front of yourself. It is the noble thing to do. This particular situation with women, especially women that have no emotional connection to you, yeah, that's not one of those situations. As soon as you start paying for her, doing things for her with no return, doing things to try to wildly over-impress her, you are now simping, my guy. Like I said, she knows that she's probably talking about you to her friends, and it's not in a good way. Number two, you do everything she says. Can you help me with my homework? Yeah. Hey, I'm going to a party after. Could you pick me up afterwards? Yeah. I just broke up. I need somebody to talk to. Can you come over? Yeah, I'm on my way. See, that type of dude, you'll never, ever be something with her. She sees you as an emotional clutch. When she needs validation, when she needs some sort of attention, she goes to you. You have to have some self-respect. So many dudes think that, yes, if you're nice and you cater to all her needs, she just will magically fall in love with you. She won't. See, you're giving her all the emotional support, all the validation she asks for, and you're not asking for anything in return. Why would she ever just magically give you that stuff if you're already giving her everything she wants? Number three, you start talking to her about your problem. See, especially in the talking phase, when it's early on, you don't want to be the dude that's on the phone just spilling all your problems and insecurities to a girl and telling her everything you're dealing with. You probably think that this is just going to create a deeper emotional bond. In her eyes, she just sees a weak guy. See, girls, sadly, especially in the talking phase, they want a guy that's dominant, a guy that can solve problems, a guy that can handle his own situations. They don't want to be dumped with all the problems head on because all she'll see is a weak guy that can't even handle his problems, let alone handle all the stuff that she's dealing with. Crying about your failures will most likely get her to just run away. You think it's just a friendly conversation, but in reality, she sees you as a simp at this point, and it's messed up. But it's the truth. Number four, your response time is faster. See, if she doesn't respect your time, you shouldn't be respecting hers. If she is taking 3 hours to respond back to your text messages and she hits you with the, oh, sorry, just saw this, BS. She saw it, she ignored it. Don't you dare respond back friendly to a text like that or to somebody that left you read or delivered for over 3 hours. The moment you respond in a friendly manner, that's it. You are simping. See, when something like this happens, you need to realize this girl does not want to talk to you. You need to have the self-respect to just walk away. You don't have to start a fight with her. You don't even have to get angry. Matter of fact, you don't even have to respond. You just move on. And finally, number five, you start paying for all her stuff. You pay for her tickets. You pay for her drinks. You pay for her dinner. See, none of that is you being nice, even though you think you're being friendly. It's you subliminally trying to tell her that you like her, that you want sex, that you want a relationship, whatever, and her knowing what you're doing and actually taking advantage of you. Like I said, you will not believe, like if you ever listen to a girl's conversation, I promise you, almost every pretty girl has simps that she knows are simping over her, and she willingly uses them for free stuff. Free dinners, free drinks, free tickets. Anytime they want something free, even free gifts, free shoes, these simps will pay them, and these girls are posting all their free stuff on their private snaps, or even worse, talking about it when it's girls' brunch. My guy, you are the laughing stock. The moment you start paying for things without getting anything in return, just know you're simping. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 5 differences between you being friendly and you simping. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. See you next time.